Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to become an Amazon affiliate. So if you want to promote products on Amazon, in this video, I'm pretty much going to be giving a tutorial on how to get started as an Amazon affiliate, how to sign up for their affiliate program so that you can go and promote any products, well, almost any products off of Amazon's affiliate program. There are some products, from my understanding, that are not included in the Amazon affiliate program that you cannot promote for some reason, but for the most part, I'd say like 99% of like the products that are on here you could pretty much promote and recommend as an affiliate. And then anytime someone purchases one of the products that you recommend, you would earn a part of the sale. So that's pretty cool, right? So Amazon, as we all know, is like the biggest, online retailer out there. Everyone knows what Amazon is. And they have, by default then, the largest affiliate program ever. So what you will want to do if you want to become an Amazon affiliate is you will first want to have an account for Amazon.com, which I'm assuming that you have that by now. You will want to first be signed in before you decide to sign up for their Amazon affiliate program. If you don't do this now, they will ask for it later on as you are signing up for their affiliate program there. But anyways, with all that out of the way, let's get right into things. So what you will want to do is you'll want to go to Amazon.com and you will want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. At the very bottom of the page, you'll find the section that says Make Money with Us, and right under this section, you'll find a link that says Become an Affiliate. If you don't see this, you could always just type in Amazon affiliate like into Google, and it should come up on like the first result. But this is the sign up page where you could decide to become an affiliate for Amazon. So right here, earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. So that is at maximum that you could expect to earn. In most cases, it's about anywhere between 3 to 8%. It's kind of on average is from what I see most often. But one thing that I do want to recommend is that this is, I'd say, primarily for people who either have a YouTube channel of some sort or a blog. If you don't have either of those two, I probably would not recommend signing up for Amazon's affiliate program because, for one, the earning potential isn't that big, and also, if you don't make sales within your first 6 months, then Amazon will pretty much close your account down. But the benefit is that you could always just reapply whenever you want, and they should pretty much accept you back in. So I would highly recommend starting a YouTube channel or a blog. And if you have that, then that is pretty much where you would ideally want to be promoting most products off Amazon, since their commission rates aren't that high. So, assuming that you have all that, you could just click this button right here, Join Now for free. I'm going to move my face down here a bit. There we go. So I'm going to click Join Now for free, and then I'm pretty much going to be walking you through the entire process of how to actually sign up for an Amazon affiliate account. So, creating your Amazon Associates account. To whom we should issue payments. It's got, address there. I'm going to probably, block that off if I can. I'm going to try doing that. And then who is the main contact for this account? The payee listed above, so that's yourself. Then you can click on Next. Website and mobile app list. So right here it's asking you to insert a website. If you do not have a website, you could always just put the link to your YouTube channel, which I'm going to actually do that very, very quick. Alright, so there's my YouTube channel there. I'm going to click on Add. It's going to add that into the field there. You could either add your YouTube channel, you could add a Facebook page if you have one, or you could add a website. But ideally you want to have some sort of, platform where you're putting out content on a regular basis, in a particular niche. That's ideally what I would recommend going for. But as long as you have that, then I think you're pretty much good to go. Amazon will want you to, of course, list something, because if you don't, then chances are they will not approve your account. But as long as you list something like this, then you should be pretty much good to go. You can just click on Next. Any of the websites or mobile apps listed above directly, primarily at children under 13? These websites are. I'm going to click on No, because that's not it's aimed towards. And then from here I'll click on Confirm. And then the next step is fill out your profile. So what is your preferred Amazon store ID? You could pretty much put anything in this field. You could either put a bunch of numbers, you could put a bunch of letters. I'm just going to end up putting, my first and last name here, Arie Ortiz, website list, mobile app list. What are your websites and or mobile apps about? So here I'm just going to say I talk primarily about affiliate marketing and different ways to make money online. So I'm just going to put in that. Again, you could pretty much kind of fill in, anything you want there. Whatever niche that your channel is about, you'd pretty much kind of specify that there. But then what are the following topics best that describe your websites and or mobile apps? Again, you just, you find the, whatever your channel's about. I'm going to say business/industrial. Select secondary topic. I'll probably say education is what I'll put for the next one. And then what type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your websites and or mobile apps? I'll probably do books, like audiobooks or something like that. Maybe electronics, because I could potentially review like a laptop or something like that. Kindle's another one. Tools, pretty much anything really. You just, fill in that. I'd say digital downloads is another one. So I'd say those are pretty much the 4 that I would probably recommend. What type are your websites and or mobile apps? Let's see. Comparison, shopping engine, content or niche website. I'll probably say content or niche website. And then secondary type. I'll probably say search. That's another one I could probably do. How do you drive traffic to your websites? Okay, so in this case, I'll just put, SEO. That's primarily what I'm going for here. And that is pretty much, what I'll just leave it at there. How do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? So this is asking if like you are using any other like affiliate programs. So like if you could put Amazon Associates is the only way I monetize. You could do subscription service. Other affiliate programs. I'm just going to click on that. Secondary would be probably e-commerce, online retailers. Probably what I'll do there. How do you usually build links? Manually via text editor. Again, you could pretty much kind of put in anything here. How many total unique visitors do your websites and apps get per month? For now, less than 500. What is your primary reason for joining Amazon affiliate program? To get rich content for my site, to monetize my site. I'll just click on to get rich content for my site. How did you hear about this? I mean, I don't know. It's been around forever, so from the Amazon.com website is what I'll say there. And then by typing the characters you see in the box, you help Amazon prevent automated or scripted form submissions. This enables us to prevent fraud and abuse so that we can continue to ensure a high quality of service to all customers. So I'm just going to type in the letters here. They also have the option if you want to, hear it out, hear exactly what you're saying, what it's saying, then you could, just listen to that there. But I could pretty much just type this out here, N5AD 25, and then you agree to terms and conditions, and then you click on finish, and that's pretty much it. And then I think the next step right here, oh yeah, so it gives you the little, ID there, and this is your unique Amazon ID. So then the next step is it'll ask you for payment and tax information. So Amazon, from my understanding, has 3 forms of how you can get paid. You can either get paid via an Amazon gift card. Otherwise, you could do a physical check in the mail, or you could do direct deposit. So those are the 3 payment methods that they have there. So in that case, I'll just click on now. And I believe I did this before. It's been a while since I last done this, but I'm going to sign in real quick. So I'll do that. And then it's going to ask me to verify via phone. So send me a text. I'll just pause this real quick. Alrighty, and then as I mentioned, yes, these are the 3 payment options that they have. So you could either get paid via direct deposit, by Amazon gift card, or by a check. If you want to get paid by a check, you must have a minimum threshold of $100 in earnings in order to get that check in the mail. Otherwise, if you want to get direct deposit or Amazon gift card, then you must at least make $10 before actually depositing that into a gift card or through direct deposit. I'm going to click on direct deposit because that's what I'd prefer going with. And then you just fill in your bank information, and then you submit and continue. So that is pretty much the entire process on how to become an Amazon affiliate. Very simple. You just fill in all the information, not very complicated at all. Once you get signed up as an Amazon affiliate, then you could pretty much recommend whatever products that are on Amazon's website, which I'll actually show you exactly how to get your affiliate link for that. So one sec. All right, and then once you finish setting up your Amazon affiliate account, your Amazon Associates account, then from here you can pretty much market whatever it is you want off of Amazon. So when you come back to Amazon.com after you have finished signing up, you will find this Amazon Associates site stripe at the top. So I'm kind of stumbling upon my words. And this is where you'd get your affiliate link for pretty much anything from Amazon. So right at the home page, if I click on Get Link to Text, this would be the link that if I send someone to this link, they come to Amazon.com, and if they buy anything after clicking on that link within 24 hours, I get a commission on any product. So that's pretty cool, right? Just kind of give you an idea, if I copy this link and I open up like a new incognito browser, and I paste in this link, it will take me back to Amazon.com. Now, this would be my own affiliate link that I have right here. And this, it of course will take me to Amazon.com. So there it is there. And then, of course, let's say that I'm, someone else that I just watched a video of mine, and, I visited the link here. Well, any product that, I, of course, purchased through this link, I would, of course, get a commission on. So that's pretty much how Amazon's affiliate program works. If you want to link to a product in particular, it's fairly self-explanatory. You just find the product that you want to, of course, look at. Like, for instance, if I say, say like this product right here, which I was just recently looking at. I was looking at, I was looking at these different like hoodies for this game I was playing, but let's say that I want to, promote this on like YouTube or something like that. I want to, get my affiliate link and I want to actually recommend this to my audience. Well, what I could do is, I come to this, page right here. I click on the text button right here, and then I just copy this link. And the nice thing about Amazon is that they have a link shortener here. So the full link would be, this would be the full link, but, that wouldn't, look as nice. So you'd, of course, want to go with the short link because that, it looks a lot better. It's more clickable. And then, this link, when someone goes to it and they buy the product, you would get paid a commission on it. Now, the other benefit with Amazon is that they don't necessarily have to buy the exact product that you recommend. Like, let's say that I, send someone to this product right here. Let's say they don't, necessarily buy this exact product, but they buy something else. Like maybe it's a gift card, maybe it's some other clothing, maybe it's like headphones or something like that. You also get paid a commission for that. So that is pretty much how Amazon's affiliate program works. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then be sure to give this a like because it really does help the channel. Leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts if you plan on actually getting started as an Amazon affiliate. If you plan on recommending any products off of their affiliate program, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But anyways, if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing and you really want to learn how to create a full-time income online through the concept of affiliate marketing, then my free training in the description, which is the very first link, will give you access to my free 4-day training I put together, which goes over the 4 main components you must have to really build a long-term business online. So be sure to check that out there. But anyways, take care.